What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, YouTube? It's your boy from G. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are approaching New York session. Currently, the time it's 13:56, and yeah, we are approaching New York session in 2 hours. So on this video, guys, I wanna show you guys how I saw that uh, Nasdaq is going to buy during London session, right? So I've shared with you guys my London session experience trading Nasdaq with you guys. And now I want to show you guys how did I know or how did I see that this thing during London session it's gonna go to the upside. So you guys already know what daily is looking like. This is how daily time frame is looking like. We have an uptrend channel here. We have a support, our resistance. Market gave us a high on Friday and dropped to the lows on today in the morning during the opening. Gave us a gap. So let me go on 4 hour just so we get into details, guys. On 4 hour, let me just remove this, remove also that, and also remove that. So we're just going to focus on our two major zones, right? Our resistance and our support, right? I did say that this is our fair value gap here. Whatever that is here, it's a fair value gap, and it's actually an opportunity for us to take those buy opportunities whenever price come on these areas, and whenever price comes on these areas, it gives us an opportunity to take those sells. Maraile on the support, we are buying. So what happened, guys, on Monday? Let's explain these 2 days, Friday and Monday. So Friday price pushed to the upside, failed to break this high, created a high, and then pushed to the downside. And then price closed on this level here. So it was 21,400. And then today, Monday, when the market opens early hours of the morning around 12 o'clock, what happened? Price, actually, it was around midnight, 12 o'clock, and then price pushed with the opened with the gap, basically. This whole thing here, that's why we don't have a candle. This it's called a gap, it's a clean gap, and we know what happens with gaps, they always have to fail. So same as this one here, it did fail and then drop. So now I'm expecting a fill up here of the gap, then drop again or push to the upside. So right now we are only trading within these two zones here, the support and resistance zone. These two zones are very important to us. If price is not either or on these two zones, we are not trading, we are living it. But today, price when I woke up today around 7 o'clock, and then I checked out the charts. I noticed that we are at the entry levels of our buy opportunities. So I didn't even hesitate. I went to my funded next account, and then yeah, I opened the trade on Nasdaq. I'll show you guys. I will pop here. Just the Okay, you all guys saw the trade during London. So right now I'm going to show you the New York session because I kept on holding it until New York session until right now at 2. I mean at 1:30. I closed it earlier on at 1:30. Noticing that we are approaching New York. I don't want to be holding trades approaching New York. I want to analyze New York on its own and then execute New York on its own. So London session, it gave us a young 2%. I'll show you guys. But now let's go on 1 hour time frame and show you how did I actually catch these entries. I want us to go on a lower time frame so that we can see how we caught the entries. This is our buying areas. This is our support areas. I mean our selling areas, buying areas, selling areas. 45. So here, if you all guys noticed, price pushed to the downside and gave us this bullish candle and then came back down. When it came back down, obviously at 1 a.m. it gave us this low. I knew that okay, maybe around in the morning when I wake up, it's gonna come back again on that low and probably push to the upside. Guess what happened? price came back on the low again for the second time and pushed to the upside. So on 15 minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame, it created some sort of a double bottom on these areas here. So let me go on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, this is our 15 minutes time frame, and this thing is still going up, guys. I actually, my initial take profit was somewhere there, but I had to close the position due to it's approaching New York, right? So here's our double bottom, guys, that I was talking about on these areas here. And then price, when it broke, obviously my target was for price to break this high. Besides filling in the gap, it has to break that high, and then from breaking the high, retest, continuation to the upside. So this whole thing here, it's a retest of this previous high. Yeah, but it's a retest of the previous high. So let's go on 5 minutes time frame so you guys can clearly see the double top, double bottom that I'm talking about. So here's our double bottom, guys. First bottom and second bottom. This was the around the times that I woke up at 6:35. Around 7 o'clock, this thing started shooting up, retested and started shooting up. So yeah, we did capitalize on this one, guys. It was a great trade. First time trading Mondays, Monday I normally don't trade on Mondays, but when I saw this gap and when I saw the double bottom, I was like, you know what, I'm going with it. I'm going with it. Also, the tight stop loss, it was very tight, and I think I was risking 1% to make 5%, but obviously we closed on 2%. We still have the 3% to collect. So yeah, I'm still holding. I'm still waiting for New York session to come to knock, and then from there I think it will be around by my half past four, half past three. I might come back and then see how the charts are looking. Even if I don't come back for the charts, guys, I'll see the charts tomorrow. It's a Monday, so we closed a young 2% for Monday. So it's not bad, guys. It's not bad. Yeah. So let me show you guys the trades that I took on this setup here. Uh, on the setup. Currently, I'm about to close it, guys, as we are approaching New York session. I'm closing it because the trade is from London session, so I don't want to confuse myself during London session. So right now, I'm just gonna close this trade, and then I'm gonna break it down with you guys